Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new day trading idea. Today I'd like to talk about the Swiss franc Japanese yen. You're looking at 30-minute time frame of the Swiss franc Japanese yen, and I'm working with the TradingView platform and my custom-made volume profile and view up indicators. So what I want to talk about here is this recently formed uptrend and about strong support that formed in that uptrend. The support is at 150.58 and it is based on a trend setup. When there's a trend like this, you want to use my flexible volume profile over the trend area or over the part of a trend like I did here. But you can as well use it on the trend area like this. But in this case, the level is not that nicely visible. So that's why I use it like this only for this part of the trend. So what the volume profile is showing us is this significant volume cluster formed within the trend. This is telling us that strong buyers were active here, buyers who were pushing the price upwards, and those buyers were adding to the long positions in here. So this is important zone for those buyers, and when the price retraces back to that zone, then it is likely that those buyers will start to react and they'll want to defend this zone, so they'll want to push the price upwards from there again, right? Because this zone is important for them because they placed a lot of the longs there, so that's why they should defend it and push the price upwards from there again. So this is volume profile setup, but there's one more setup that adds strength to that support. So if I extend this line, which I draw here, then you can see that the price reacted here in the past. This means it worked as a strong resistance. There were also two more reactions in here and in here, not that distant from the level. So this general area worked as a resistance in the past, right? Now, when the price finally blew past that resistance in here, then the resistance turned into a support, right? That's what happens when a resistance is breached. When a strong resistance is breached, is that it becomes a support. Now, at this same place, we also have that volume cluster, right? So that's why I'm saying that there is a confluence of two trading setups. One is volume-based setup, the other one is price action setup. Right? Both those are pointing me to this support, and that adds strength to it. So that's why I expect a reaction from there, and that's what I really like about this support. All right, so that's about that. That's about my take on the Swiss franc Japanese yen. I hope you guys found this analysis useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video. And until then, happy trading.